into turn number 3 and over toward corner number 4, where they'll get the signal to show you the most awesome sight in all of motorsports. World's greatest sprint car drivers are 4 wide on display. This is their way of thanking you for coming out this evening, and in return, we want you to stand and we want you to make some noise as you show them your appreciation for their efforts here tonight. Oswego Speedway, you one of the best. You got them far abreast, often imitated, never duplicated. The greatest show on